Good day, guys. Today I want to show you how to write a login page for mobile app without writing a single code. All you're going to use is AI and also a plugin for browser. So this plugin for browser is called webmaker. First of all, before we do anything, we need to install this plugin. So I've opened my browser, which is Chrome. If you like, you can use Firefox, you can use Edge, or any other browser you like. The extension is available for them, but for me, I like Chrome because it's from Google and my Google is connected to it. So now I'll need to go and search for the extension webmaker. Webmaker extension. So this is webmaker for Chrome, the first one. You can see this is it. But I'll go for this so that I'll install it from the store directly. This is the interface. You can see the screenshot of coding. So I will install this and extension. The extension is installing. It may take a while. So this is webmaker. It has installed and it has opened. So you can see we have multiple sections here. We have three sections. We have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript sections. You can also sign up so that whatever you're doing will still be kept in your account. Then we have the save, we have everything. You can also share your code. So we're not going to write any code because we're not meant to write code. So go to AI, so openai.com/chatgpt. So I'm going to open it. I need to log in so that I'll have section saved. So this is my AI. It has opened. So the next thing I will put is a prompt. This prompt, I will just describe whatever I want and it will generate a code for me. And I will describe how I want the code to be. Now this is my prompt. Write HTML and CSS for mobile login interface. Separate the CSS from HTML code. Now press enter. So I think it has written the HTML code for me. I'll just copy the HTML code, Ctrl C, and I'll go back to the web maker and I'll paste it. So it gives me the HTML, everything is there. But if you can see, there's no styling, everything is not arranged, everything is not in order. So this is not beautiful. We'll go back to the AI. Okay, the CSS, this is the CSS code. It generated the CSS code aside. So you have to click on style here to get the CSS code. Going to select everything. Now go back to webmaker. Now paste this code on CSS section. Ctrl V. And see what we have. Instantly as we paste the code, it's generated and it's arranged everything the way it should look like. So you can see now the function of CSS and HTML. HTML is just write the interface. To beautify the interface, you need the CSS section. Thank you for following.